Okay, question 5 is define the ohm. Ohm is unit of resistance ya. Ini bisa kita tulis adalah unit of resistance. Or maybe kita bisa tulis ini adalah volt per ampere ya. Volt ampere minus 1 ya. From what? From R equals to V over I ya. So this is on ohm ya. Or sometimes we use the symbol like this one, and this is same thing with volt ampere minus 1 yeah. Okay, that's it. Okay, what about question B? A wire has resistance 1.8 ohms. Yeah, the wire has a uniform cross-sectional area 0.38 millimeter square and is made a metal resistivity 9.6 times 10 to the power minus 7 ohm meter. Calculate the length of wire. Okay, if you still remember about resistance equation R, yeah, this is equals to rho times L over A. Yeah. From this, yeah, we need to find about L. So L means yeah, R A divided rho. Okay, this is R. Yeah, 1.8 is resistance or resistance. Yeah, and then cross sectional area A. Yeah, but we need to change into standard unit, and then resistivity rho. This is rho. Yeah. We change first yeah about A here. Cross sectional area A 0.38 millimeter. This is same thing with minus 3 in meter ya, and then square. So ya kita sama aja 0.38 times 10 to the power minus 6 in meter square, or this is something 3.8 times 10 power 7 in meter square. So from this yeah, length equals rho is 9.8 sorry 9.6 yeah times 10 to the power minus 7 yeah, then L length sorry A yeah, A is 3.8 times 10 power minus 7 with minus 7, yes, correct. Divide, astaga, Bapak salah. This is R ya, Bapak salah. Ini R itu 1.8. Nah gitu. Baru times 3.8 times 10 to the power minus 7 divided, nah baru rho is 9.6 times 10 to the power minus 7 yeah. So this is same thing with kalikan aja 1,8 dikali 3,8 1,8 dikali 3,8 dibagi 9,6 ya. 0.71 ya. This is about 0.7125 ya, in meter ya. Yeah, let's say this is 0.71, yeah, in meter. Ah, that's it. Okay, I will scroll up ya, Almira. Kayaknya ini, atau Bapak tunggu 1 menit deh kalau memastikan Almira lagi copy or screenshot. Because we only have 30 minutes ya, so fast actually ya. Ini sangat cepat. Okay, I will scroll up to see question C. Yeah, but question B still you can see it. Question C, a resistor X. Yeah, we have X of resistance 1.8 ohms is connected to resistor Y 0.6 ohm and a battery P 1.2 volt. Yeah, in figure 5.1. The battery P has a electromotive force EMF 1.2 volt and negligible internal resistance. Yeah, so there is resistance internal here. Explain question I scroll up here. Explain in terms energy why potential difference PD across X is less than the EMF. Yeah. Um, Actually, they have resistance internal resistance. Yeah. So like some of energy was lost. Yeah. Cross axis. This is with y potential difference PD cross X is less than, ya because ini guys because they have resistance Y ya, here. Yeah. Because resistance on Y ya 0.6 ya. Karena dia nanyanya adalah kenapa yang di X itu less than daripada 1.2. Ya because ini ada ini. Nanti kan total ya total 1.2 volt ya. Actually this is Vx ditambah Vy. Oh. Nah, dia kan bertanya kenapa Vx lebih kecil daripada 1.2. Ya because Vy ya gitu. Okay, we'll scroll up a little bit. Yeah. Calculate potential difference across resistor X. Okay. This question C. Yeah. Question C on II. Yeah. When we find total resistance, yeah, when we find total resistance R, yeah, R equivalent, actually R on the X plus R on the Y, yeah, or 1.8 plus 0.60. So this is same thing with 2.4 ohm. Yeah. Then I on this circuit equals to V divided by R, and V 1.2 R equivalent is 2.4. This is something with a half, yeah, a half ampere. Now from this Vx, yeah, I times Rx. I is 0.5 and then Rx is 1.8, yeah. So equals to 0.9, yeah, volt. That's it. Nah, seperti itu ya, Almira. We have total resistance, we have electric current, and finally we get a voltage or potential difference on the resistor X. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I think enough. Yeah, Almira. We check next question. D. I hope until E we done. Yeah, D and E. Another battery Q of EMF 1.2 volt and negligible internal resistance is now connected into the circuit figure 5.1 to produce the new circuit shown in figure 5.2. Yeah. Oh, we have two. Yeah, another 1.2 volt, 1.2 volt SP and Q. State whether the additional battery Q causes the current to decrease, increase, or remains the same. Resistor X, the current, yeah, the current, is it decrease, increase, or remains the same? Yeah. Resistance X, yeah, because you see this when voltage is parallel, yeah, V on the parallel, yeah, this is same, yeah, equals 1.2, also equals 1.2, yeah, because this is same thing, yeah, same thing, 1.2, 1.2, yeah. Then so this is remains the same, yeah, remain the same. Why? Because volt, yeah, V is same 1.2 divided by total resistance, yeah, 2.4. This is something with 0.5 ampere, yeah, remains same, still same, yeah, still same 0.5 ampere. Then battery P, yeah, current on the battery P same also, yeah, remains same. Why? Because oh, sorry, this current change here, this current change by what? Because they have splitting into two, become one, yeah. So let's say when we have this is 0.5 ampere, this is 0.25 ampere, and this is 0.25 ampere, yeah, different, yeah. So current in P, it will be different but same with Q, yeah. This is different, yeah, increase, sorry, decrease, uh, decrease, yeah, that's it. Okay, let me check about E, yeah. The circuit, agak cepat mungkin ya. The circuit shown figure 5.2 is modified to produce the new circuit shown in figure 5.3. Okay, we have different circuit, ya. Total resistance of the resistor connected parallel. This one on the E1, yeah. If you still remember about R equivalent on the parallel circuit is reciprocal, yeah, reciprocal. 1 over R divided 1 over each resistor. 3.6, 1, 1.8. Maybe this is, we can same as a fractional calculation here in 3.6 here. This is 1, this is 2 times. This is same thing here. So this is 3 divided 3.6. And R equivalent, we split it here. 3.6 divided 3 equals to 1.2 ohms. Yeah. So here is 1.2 ohms. Yeah. This one. Okay. I will move up here. I will move up. One more question. The current in resistor Y. Okay. The current in resistor Y. Totally, we need to find about total resistance. Yeah. Total resistance are equivalent. Yeah. This is 1.2 plus 0.60. Yeah. Because between parallel and the 0.62 is in series. So we add it. Yeah. Become 1.8. Yeah. Ohm. Then we need to find about E. Yeah. E is V divided R equivalent. Yeah. V is 1.2 and then this is 1.8 ya. Ini 2/3 ya. 0.67 ampere. Oke. Oke, that's it. Seperti itu ya Almira ya.